Well, promise is a promise. And 41 subscribers means 41 subscribers. And that's coming at a good time of the year, too. Because we got some onions in the onion patch. Woo! Which one? This one looks like 41 subscribers. Oh. Dookie! Dookie, did you come here to share the onion with me? Here. Come shag this onion with me, huh? Where are you at? You having fun? Is there a sprinkler? I'm sure there was. Good boy. Oh, Duke, look at this, huh? You want it? Let me just eat that thing into oblivion. Good thing it's not my onion, though. Woo! Let's eat that onion. Did it. What a pretty sunset. I hope that made you happy, as I'm so happy I did that. Oh, look at the sun.